Why this name Gati se Pragati? My dear friends, Prapancha, we are made up of 5 elements of nature. Pragati, we are born to progress. Have you seen a child automatically progress? But that is physically. But mentally, we need to work on ourselves, because God said, okay, all other species, they have ready-made tools, like the eagle has ready-made claws, ready-made beak, the dog ready-made barking, snake ready-made sting. My dear friends, you and I humans, we need to do Pragati by influencing our life, giving rebirth to ourselves. And Gati se Pragati is meant specially for you, to know how to glide and slide through life with effortless effort. If you want to know how you can take your business to the next level, and business is what you are doing, so individually and collectively, if you want to simply take a leap forward over your blockages and barricades, blast past it, Gati se Pragati. Watch it for motivation, watch it for tips, watch it for ideas. Thank you very much. See you all the time, every time.